Hey everyone, Ryan here. This video will be a tutorial on how to form an LLC with Tailor Brands. Before we get into today's video, I gotta mention that this channel is partnered with Tailor Brands. Below this video, you will find a link that will take you directly to Tailor Brands. And then upon using any one of their services, you'll be supporting this channel at no additional cost to you. And essentially in this video, we're going to be using Tailor Brands to see how they can benefit your business and streamline the process of creating an LLC. So let's jump right in. So an LLC or limited liability company is a business structure that offers personal asset protection, tax flexibility, and enhanced credibility. It's an excellent choice for many entrepreneurs due to its blend of benefits from both corporations and partnerships. And this takes us to Tailor Brands that has established itself as one of the leading LLC formation services, helping launch tens of thousands of businesses. Their platform is designed to make the LLC formation process quick, easy, and accessible even if you are a first-time business owner. So let's go ahead and access this LLC formation service. Again, you can use the link below this video for convenience. And once on the site, you can look for Start a Business or Form an LLC option. Let's go ahead and click on that to begin the process. After that, we're asked to choose the LLC state, so go ahead and pick the state that you wish to form your LLC in. For this example, I'm going to go ahead and form my LLC in Alaska. Next up, we have to choose a name for our LLC. We have to make sure that it's unique in the state that we have chosen. So go ahead and enter the name that you're thinking about and then click on the check availability to make sure that it's unique. If the business name that you have selected is available, then we can continue to the next step. Next up, Tailor Brands will ask you a series of questions about your business, and these typically include the nature of your business, so whether it's products or services offered, whether you will have employees, and your business's current stage. So for example, if it's just an idea, taking the first steps, about to launch, or already in business. Try to be as accurate as possible with these answers as they help Tailor Brands customize your LLC formation package. So here they ask me what's my LLC industry. I'm going to say that it's about consulting and it offers professional services. After that, the platform will try and get to see what you have already done for your LLC. Now, most of these services that you're seeing right here are either important or they are needed, such as the obtaining of the EIN. However, I gotta mention that if you know how to do them, then you can get them for free directly from the IRS. So go ahead and check whatever you have already done. For example, let's say that I've already done a business bank account, a domain, a logo. I already have a registered agent, and I haven't done the rest in the setup section. Do the same for the manage section and the grow one. In my case, I'm going to leave the rest unchecked. And now we get to the part where Tailor Brands offers you either a business plan for free, or you can choose that you don't want a business plan. And the great thing is that based on your answers, Tailor Brands will actually offer you a free business plan that you can choose to follow if you want to. I'm definitely sticking to the free business plan and clicking next. Next up, you will need to provide some personal information, and this includes your name, email address, and then to enter a password to create an account on the platform. So again, this account that you're creating right here on this step will be used to report to this person on the LLC status and progress. You're not supposed to enter any password that you already have on any email or account. You're simply creating a new account on this platform in order to track the progress of your LLC. If you want to, you can continue with Google for convenience and log in using your Google account. And now with everything almost done, we get to the upsells. For example, right here, it says get your EIN to open a business bank account and hire employees. So if you know how to obtain your own EIN for free from the IRS, then I highly recommend doing that yourself. But if you're on a flexible budget and you want to get this service yourself, then you can get your EIN for about $99 after your application's review. So choose the option that suits you and click next. On this step, we have to assign our registered agent as required in the state of Alaska. You can either act as your own registered agent or use the Tailor Brands registered agent service. It is a bit on the pricey side as they charge you about $200 after your application's review, and this price is paid annually. So again, if you are on a tight budget and you want to save some money, then you can appoint yourself as your own registered agent or someone else. And then after that, if you want to ensure your good standing status in Alaska, then you can keep your LLC compliance service with Tailor Brands, and they do charge about $200 for this service as well. If you can and want to handle the compliance yourself, then choose this option, and then of course it's free. And then towards the end of your application, you'll be presented with their three main plans available on the website. The first one is the free plan plus the state filing fee, which add up to $250 in the state of Alaska. When you continue with this plan, you will still form your LLC in Alaska and then process the application within 14 business days. However, if you want more services with Tailor Brands, then you can go with the essential plan for $200 per year. And then you get a couple of other features such as the annual compliance, that is mandatory report filing and updates, and you can establish your operating agreement. And if you want everything in every plan plus the services that this platform has to offer, then you could add another $50 to the essential plan and then get the elite plan, and then get access to everything in the essential and the light plan, plus the online business and branding tools. And of course, you get to keep the domain, website, and the 2-day expedited processing. The faster processing time is also available in the essential plan, but it's not in the light plan. Now, of course, the actual waiting time varies from one state to another. So if you don't mind the wait, then you can always go with the normal processing time. I'm going to select the light plan for this example. And then before finalizing your purchase, you will have the chance to review all the details that you have entered. Make sure that everything is correct, including your business name, state of formation, and the selected services. And right at the bottom of the page, you can see exactly how much you will have to pay. Again, you can choose one of these upsells if you want to, or if you have changed your mind and then add them. It will automatically update the total price as you can see at the bottom of the page. And then if everything looks good, then you can choose your payment method, including credit cards or PayPal. After payment, Tailor Brands will prepare and submit your LLC formation documents to the state. The processing time varies by the state and the package that you chose again, but Tailor Brands will keep you updated on the progress. So as you can see, forming an LLC with Tailor Brands is a streamlined, user-friendly process that can be completed in as little as 10 minutes. Their platform guides you through each step, ensuring that you provide all the necessary information for a successful LLC formation. And with that, we'll have reached the end of today's video. Thanks so much for watching. Let us know whether you have any other questions by leaving them in the comment section down below. And if you found today's video to be helpful, informative to watch, then go ahead and give us a thumbs up. And definitely don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.